Hello children, everything is going on well? Great. Have you seen that video? Have you written all the answers, exercises? Seen? Very good. Children, now remember that day when you forgot your tiffin, when you forgot your lunch box. What happened that day? You was not feeling good. You was not able to understand lessons, even not able to play, not able to write. But why is this so? This is because you need energy for all these activities. And from where this energy comes from? This energy comes from food. Yes, children. So this is your second lesson of environmental science, food for us. In this lesson, we will learn about importance of food, kinds of food, raw and cooked food, a balanced diet and healthy eating habits. So second lesson of your environmental science is food for us. Take out your book, page number 167. Food is necessary for our survival. It is essential for our body to maintain healthy heart, active brain and optimally working muscles and other organs. We have food when we feel hungry. Food makes us grow. Food makes us strong and healthy. Food gives us energy. For what food gives you energy? Food gives us energy to work and to play. Food helps us to fight against diseases. Therefore, food is very necessary for our survival. Now, turn your page 168. How many kinds of food are there? See children, body building food, then energy giving food and protective food. What are body building food? Milk, egg, pulses, fish and meat. These are body building food. They help you to grow. So body building food are milk, eggs, pulses, fish and meat. Clear? They make your bones and muscles strong. Next one is energy giving food. What are these? These are butter, rice, then sugar, jaggery. These are energy giving food. They gives you energy. They gives you energy to learn. They gives you energy to play and they gives your energy to each and every activity you do. Then third kind is protective food. What are protective food? Fruits and vegetables are protective food. What is their function? So their function is that they fight against diseases. We need to eat some of these food items every day. So three kinds of food are there. I told you body building food, energy giving food and protective food. You have to eat each and every category every day. Now raw and cooked food. What is the meaning of raw? Raw means kacha. Children, some salad you eat that is raw. Which type of fruits and vegetables, which type of vegetables you eat raw? Remember? Yes, cucumber, then radish, carrot, beetroot, these things you eat raw. And few things we can't eat raw. We cooked them before eating them. They are pulses. Can you eat pulses raw? No. Then fish, meat, egg and so many vegetables we need to cook. We have how many meals children every day? We have 3 meals every day. What are they? In the morning we have breakfast, then afternoon we have lunch, then at night we eat dinner. So we have 3 meals a day. Is this clear for all? Now see, what is a balanced diet? What do you mean by balanced diet? The kind of food that we eat is called a diet. What is diet? The kind of food that we eat. Okay? And what is balanced diet? When you eat bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food in a right amount. That means when you eat milk, egg, pulses, fish, meat, when you eat butter, rice, sugar, when you eat vegetables and fruits in a right amount, that is called a balanced diet. So a balanced diet is a diet in which we eat energy giving food, body building food and protective food every day. Is this clear for all? Now children, here is a short story. You watch this short story that why your mummy and papa ask you to eat bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food. Okay? Through this energy you will come to know that these are very important for you. Okay? Now 2 or 3 remaining parts are there that we will see in the next video. But first you watch this short story.
Eat healthy, stay healthy. Long time ago, a family lived in a city, and grandparents, along with their mummy papa, 8 years old Himanshu and 7 years old Himani were there in their family. Both the kids were very much fond of junk food. Therefore, they used to eat pizza and burger all the time and refused to eat any fruit or vegetable.
No, we don't like vegetables and fruits at all.
We like only pizza and burger.
But children, if you won't eat vegetables and fruits, then your eyesight will become poor. And you have to wear specs in such a small age.
But they never used to listen to their mother.
No, we don't like vegetable and fruits.
One day, their mother explained them very lovingly.
Our eyesight becomes strong by eating fruits and green vegetables. And if your eyesight becomes poor, then you have to wear specs all the time.
Mother's affectionate words convinced Himani to eat fruit and vegetables.
Okay, Mom. From now, I will eat fruit and vegetable every day.
But Himanshu refused to listen to his mother.
No, Mom. I like pizza burger. Therefore, I will eat that only.
Now, mother stopped explaining Himanshu. And many days passed. Himani started eating fruit and vegetables daily. And Himanshu, like before, ate only pizza and burger. One day, Himanshu's teacher asked him in school,
Himanshu, come on, solve the question on blackboard.
When Himanshu looked at the blackboard, he found everything very blurred. He rubbed his eyes and looked once again. But still, he found everything blurred. Teacher angrily scolded Himanshu when he was unable to answer.
Himanshu, are you not able to solve this easy question also? Wait, I'll call your parents to school right now.
Teacher left the classroom after saying this. She made a phone call and after some time, Himanshu's mummy papa came to school.
I had asked Himanshu very simple question. But Himanshu could not solve as easy question as 2 plus 2.
What, Himanshu? You don't even know answer of such an easy question?
It seems you aren't studying well these days. No, Mom. I know very well. 2 plus 2 adds up to 4. So why didn't you answer your teacher's question? The reason was I wasn't able to see what's written on board. I told you before, you should eat vegetable and fruits. See, your eyesight became so weak. If like Himani you had listened to me, then your eyesight wouldn't have been so poor. Sorry, Mom. From today I will eat vegetables and fruits daily.
By seeing Himanshu's crying like this, his mummy understood that Himanshu has now realized his mistake. She consoled Himanshu and said,
It's fine, Himanshu. Stop crying now. But If you eat vegetables and fruits daily, then it may be possible that your eyesight may become perfect again.
So till then, I shall buy good spectacles for you.
After listening to his mummy papa, Himanshu stopped crying and his father got his spectacles made. Like this, by eating fruit and vegetables, Himani's eyesight remained normal. And by not eating fruit and vegetables, Himanshu had to wear
Short
spectacles.
story. Have you seen this story? Now understand why your adults ask you to drink milk every day, why your adults ask you to eat green vegetables, why your adults ask you to eat healthy food, clean food and fresh food and fruits and vegetables. Okay?